Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is When Entitlement Turns a Traffic Stop into Chaos. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
What's gonna happen is this: I'm actually gonna search your car because I can smell a strong odor of marijuana coming from the vehicle. Now, do you have a medical marijuana card? You do? Yeah. So you have it with you?
It's in the hotel somewhere.
So it's in the hotel somewhere, right? All right.
There's no weed.
Okay, but I'm just gonna search it for
what?
Because I have suspicion.
While I'm going to the store, please.
So hold on, let me ask you a question. You say I stop you while you going to the store?
You followed me.
You never stopped us. We came to a complete stop.
I literally stopped right there
have,
and then you hit your
So you
light.
didn't stop us.
You didn't step out of the vehicle. Because I'm asking you to.
For what?
Because I'm asking to search the vehicle.
First of all, you pulled over. You put your lights on after we already came out.
I'm just being detained right now. You're not under arrest, right?
Bruh, I'm gonna.
You stay in the car. I ain't tell you to get step out of the car yet. If you throw it, then that's an assault charge. Go ahead, do it. Okay, I know.
I know you don't.
You don't have to give.
You have anything in your pockets to stick me, poke me, or hurt me?
No, I think I just have a lighter in my
Just a lighter? All right, turn this way.
I have nothing better to do. First of all,
I got something better to do.
No.
My job.
Okay. Let's put a dash camera, bitch. You put us. You didn't even put the lights on.
You don't record it.
You came to the police stop. The lights weren't even on. Like, keep up the ignition. We going into the store. If you didn't pull us over. First of all,
you have possession of the vehicle.
Sweetheart.
You still have full control of the vehicle. Still in transport.
Have a seat on the bumper right here.
All right, I'm just gonna have a step out of the car. And I'm gonna search it.
I'll lock the door.
Did you pull over?
Yeah, and then you step out of the vehicle.
You can leave your purse in there too.
I don't have to.
You do have to.
I don't.
You have to. Yes, you do.
No, I don't. You let it go.
Let you go. Let go of your purse. You're gonna catch a charge. You're gonna go to jail.
Let go of the purse. Let go of the purse.
You let go.
The last time I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna be put in handcuffs. Let go of the purse.
Bro, I'm gonna.
Come here. What? So if you want to use your phone for recording, that's fine, but don't make any phone calls. I will take the phone from you. Did you hear me? Did you hear what I said?
Can you get away?
Did you hear what I said?
Can you get away from me?
Did you hear what I said?
Get away from me. Bitch, I'm not deaf, so you need to get away from me.
Give me another pair of cuffs.
You need to get away from me. You need to get away from me. For what? For what? For what?
Because now you're not being cooperative with me, so you're going to be placed in handcuffs.
I don't have to do nothing. You have to get away.
Hey, chill out.
Yup. Homie, no.
The phone. Stop resisting. So you chill out. You're gonna get another. You're gonna get because she needs to relax. Relax. You're gonna get tased. You will get tased. You will get relax.
Feet on the bumper.
Right? Yeah. Relax. Bro, look what you gonna go to jail for something?
No, for what?
Chill.
Bro, we
She
can't
resists. She resists. Calm down. Yes, she is. That's resisting.
Bro, y'all see she upset.
Yeah, it's on the body cam.
Y'all can literally search the whip. Y'all got everything. I'm
Listen,
like,
calm down. Calm down. Sit down. I know you're calm.
Nothing.
She's not calm. Easy.
You don't have to know. We're trying to explain to her. She don't want to listen. I'm in the driver of the vehicle. They talk to me. Please, you see she unresponsive.
But here's the
You
thing.
see she not going to give you feedback.
It's not about feedback.
She's just going to give.
Yeah, but this is the thing though. You as a man, why would you want to deal with something like that? listen, I give bruh credit. Bruh right here, I give him credit. Listen, it is what it is. He said his little 2 cents, you know, when he said about the, I smell marijuana, whatever. He did his little doo-doo-doo, but he got out the car when he asked him to get out the car. He went in cuffs. He been pretty chill, been pretty quiet, cooperative. You know, her on the other hand, and listen guys, this is the thing that we have to understand. The woman that you decide to be with is a representation of you. Honestly. I mean, when you're not around, they gonna know whatever. Stephanie, oh, that's so-and-so girl. Oh, that's boom. So whatever she doing out in the street, if she thotting around, she hoeing around, that's a reflection of you. She making you look bad, right? You know what I'm saying? If she loud, ratchet, whatever, that's a reflection of you. You know, if she's, you know, she don't pay nobody no mind. She just go to work, mind her business, do her thing, you know, that's a representation of you. If she, you know, she acting accordingly in the streets, you know what I'm saying? So right here is a clear picture that whether he's right or wrong, he know he smell like weed. Let's be honest. You know, they probably smoke, whatever. A lot of people smoke in their cars or whatever. I don't understand why people do it. Even if you don't smoke in your cars, you smoking with the clothes that you got on. So it's like, even if you was at the crib, you smoked, and now you going in the car, you driving, your clothes reek of marijuana. So when a cop pulls up, he gonna be like, oh, I smell marijuana because it's on your clothes. You know, guys, that's why, like, you know, I'm not a smoker, so I don't understand. But, you know, for the guys that are smokers and stuff, man, at least switch up your shirt, put some cologne on, do something. Like, you know, I got a whole thing of colognes. Like, yeah, I like my smell goods. You know what I'm saying? Candles, you know. Oh wait, hold on. Candles, you know what I'm saying? We got the ShyGotEm candles that we working on. You know, ooh. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we got things that we working on. You know what I mean? So, you know, you always want to smell good as a man. You know what I mean? And as a female too. You know what I'm saying? As a woman, you definitely want to smell good. Males and females smell good. You know, take pride in that. But when all you do is smell like loud and BO, it's like, that's an easy one. Oh yeah, we gonna search the car, my boy. But either way, I just went on a completely different rant. But just make sure the person that you with, and this goes for the ladies too, you know what I'm saying? The man that you choose to be with is a representation of you, you know what I mean? And this, what she doing right here is not a good look.
That's on her though. Straight. What part is that? His body cam on the ground. It's all right. It's okay. His is on the ground. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Last time it's like sit down, we'll make you sit down. Sit down. Here's your body camera. All right. Sit in the bumper. Relax.
See, if they search it, don't find none, everything good, she probably gonna go to jail for resisting regardless.
She turned a simple ticket
gonna be chill.
to go to jail.
Nah.
Yes, bro.
That's what it is. Your body cam wasn't on the whole time.
My body cam was on the whole time.
It was on the ground.
It fell off. It was on.
I told your other officer your body cam was on the ground.
Okay. What does that mean?
I'm letting you know that.
Okay. So then why make it difficult? So why
I wasn't making it difficult. He's seen how she was acting. She was already irate when you pulled the car over. She was already upset.
I get that.
And what can I do as the driver trying to talk to the officer and explain everything that's going on in the whole situation?
What situation?
And she sat down. What's going on?
He smells weed?
And
So he made a traffic stop that smells weed?
It wasn't a traffic stop. How was it a traffic stop if I came to the store? He literally followed me across the street.
Let me ask you.
Because I came from over there, that hotel over there.
Did you drive that car from here to here?
Yes.
All right then. So you drove.
Where he came from?
Doesn't matter where he came from. The fact is
He
you
said
drove
he
the car.
pulled me over for my tags.
Okay.
I understand. You just said you pulled. You know what? Listen.
No. Pause. When you turn in there, listen, you saw me when I turned right there, right? And then guess what? I ran your tag. And guess what? It came back. I came here and followed you. I could do that. That's allowed, bro. I'm just doing my job, bro.
When she sat right there on the curb, bro, we could have left her right there, but all she wanted to do was sit right there and do our thing.
This is the thing. This is the thing.
Understand, you're the officer of the law. I know you're the officer of the law.
I told her very clearly. I told her very clearly that
You know she's not gonna.
Oh, but that's something that you gotta get control of.
How can I get that in control? Unlike this.
That's a fact. I like that, officer. That's something you gotta get in control. That's your chick. You can't control her? Like, hello? If she bouncing off the hinges and she can't listen to what you saying, or at least you know, model after what you doing a little bit, like, okay, boom. All right, my man is acting calm. Let me act calm. You know what I mean? Let's get this over with. You know, she not listening to nothing you say. She don't nothing, bro. That's on you.
Before this.
Yeah, in general, but
listen,
you can't tell me how to tell another grown person how to act.
You're right. She's gonna have her own actions, but that's
Good
her
point.
fault. That's her fault, not yours, not mine. The simple request I had for her was, you could use your phone to record. Feel free to record, but don't call anybody. And there's a reason for that, right? I just met you 5 minutes ago.
I know she thinking, Mariah, I'm going to jail. She need to call my dad. That's who Card is. She probably thinking, oh, Pops, something going on. That's probably why she was trying to call.
Well, then guess what?
All I seen from my end is her pull out the camera and you instantly grabbing her arm and hemmed her up.
It was
I need another pair of
people.
cuffs. He ran over
the camera once asked for another pair of cuffs. It's all on camera. It's all on body cam. Okay?
I know for sure.
Which is fine. If she wants to record, I was cool with that.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, she's an adult. She's got to be responsible for her actions. If she was worried about something, how about, all right, officer, I'll get out of the car. What is going on? Is he going to jail? 100% I would have been like, as of right now, no. He's just being detained until we finish the search. That's it.
Yeah, you are being arrested for resist. You resist an officer. They give you a lawful command, which I don't know why you did that for. That's not how that works. See, you guys watch too much television.
She's in the car.
Here?
Yeah.
You guys watch too much television. He said,
You know, chill with him while I stand with her.
Yeah.
Just hang out with him for a minute while you deal with her.
Step on outside, ma'am.
I'm gonna talk about shoes.
What?
In a second.
My shoes.
Step on out. Do you have anything that you're going to police technique?
Yeah.
Hey, what's the password to this shit?
My phone?
You gonna leave with me, right?
Yeah.
Alright, what's the
She could take her ID and then everything else, she could leave it. I'll give it to her.
I can't hear.
We'll give you a chance. Wait.
Do you have anything you understand what we're technique? I don't know. Okay, what do you mean you don't know? Do you have any needles? Do you have any weapons?
Not that I know of.
Not that you know of. So you don't know if you have any needles on you. So that means there's the possibility that there could be. I'm sorry?
that's for you to find out. She ain't supposed to help you with your investigation. It's an asshole move, but
Always. Okay, spread your legs for me, please.
Stop wiggling the cuff. It's only gonna make it worse.
My arm is killing me, God.
It's on
My shoulder's dislocated. I don't understand what you're saying. You're not uncomfortable.
Yeah, because
Yeah, because what? I was normal.
I'm trying to tell you,
I could
stop
have
moving.
literally had no cuffs on and been normal.
Okay.
Yeah, but for your safety, I need to be in cuffs and uncomfortable.
It's
Yes,
entertainment.
so don't talk to me. You're not the officer that detained me.
I am.
Thank you, Sanchez.
I
So
am.
why is he talking to me?
Because he's a primary.
I don't care
It's my
about the
traffic
primary.
stop.
I care about Sanchez.
Okay.
I am.
Do you want to take her jewelry, or you want to go down?
You gonna take your chains?
You want you to take your jewelry? You want him to have it?
Because they're gonna take it off regardless. You gotta let those people know.
All right, you take it.
Can you turn and face me, please?
So definitely just turn.
Well, I don't want to break it. I'm trying to be gentle, and I can't. It's all twisted. You know what? You can just sit in the car. I'm not.
It's
She's
fine.
giving me her because I asked her to turn so I could get the thing and not break it, and she's being difficult, so they can take it off her at the jail. So,
She's
no.
being difficult.
No, I'm not playing the game. I didn't do anything. I'm trying to be nice, and she wants to be that way. That's her business. They can.
Good job. Good job. I give that officer credit because she is being an asshole.
I don't do the piercings anyway. So the nose piercing and all that, so they can just take it off her at the jail.
All right,
Do anything
she's
to
good
be treated
there.
that
She's
way,
good like that.
Not just. But, sorry.
At the end of the day, Malik,
Be an asshole.
she could be mad at us, you could be mad at us, and all that other stuff. But at the end of the day, your and her actions are what let you guys see.
Not
Not
being an asshole to me.
Not him, not her.
You want get her ID?
Yeah.
Let me get it out.
So I don't know what it is about this generation that everybody thinks it's everybody else's fault.
Yeah, I didn't do anything.
But at the end of the day, like I said, your actions and her actions got you guys to where you're at right now. All right. So you're still not free to go. Let him finish what he's got to do. I don't know if he's gonna write you any tickets or anything like that. So just hang on. All right. Hear me? Here we go.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.